Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Plastic Chairs is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly seating options available for your outdoor space, offering a fantastic blend of durability, weather resistance, and ease of maintenance that makes them a go-to choice for patios, gardens, and balconies alike. Whether you're looking to furnish a bustling backyard for summer barbecues or create a cozy nook for quiet contemplation, these chairs provide a practical and stylish solution that can withstand the elements while adding a touch of casual charm to your exterior decor. Number 5. Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Recliner. Discover unparalleled comfort with our Zero Gravity Recliner. Its smooth reclining system and adjustable features provide a personalized relaxation experience. Find your perfect position with the lockable reclining system. The adjustable canopy and headrest ensure you stay comfortable, no matter the sun's position. Crafted with durable, UV-resistant mesh and a sturdy steel frame, this chair is designed for lasting comfort and support during all your outdoor activities. Keep everything you need within reach with the detachable side tray. It features 2 cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder for ultimate convenience. Effortlessly take this lightweight, folding chair to the beach, park, or your backyard. Enjoy comfort and convenience wherever you go, with a 250 pounds weight capacity. What we like? Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth zero-gravity recline and adjustable canopy for personalized shade. The detachable tray keeps your essentials within reach. If you're looking for a chair to truly unwind in your backyard or by the pool, this is the one for you. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. They are comfortable to sit in for extended periods, even without cushions. The design is modern and sleek, adding a nice touch to my patio. Number 4. Flash Furniture Hercules 10-pack heavy-duty folding chairs. Introducing the Hercules set of 10 folding chairs, your ultimate solution for versatile seating needs. These chairs are perfect for any occasion, from formal events to casual gatherings. Experience superior comfort with our contoured seats, designed for extended use. The integrated dry assist drain holes ensure quick drying and prevent water buildup, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. These lightweight chairs offer effortless portability and can be stacked for convenient storage. Save space with their smart nesting design, allowing for quick setup and easy cleanup after any event. Built to last, each chair features a robust 18-gauge steel frame with double support braces. They can reliably support up to 650 pounds, ensuring durability and quality for years to come. Forget assembly hassles, these chairs arrive ready to go. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth for effortless maintenance, keeping them looking great for every use. What we like? This set offers incredible value with 10 heavy-duty plastic chairs, each supporting up to 650 pounds. If you frequently host large gatherings, events, or need reliable seating for a commercial space, this bulk pack is an excellent and cost-effective choice. What people say. The chairs are made of durable plastic that has held up well outdoors. They are lightweight and easy to move around the patio. The design is stackable, which saves a lot of storage space when not in use. Number 3. Best Choice Products Acapulco 3-piece Patio Set. Introducing a charming 3-piece outdoor set, perfect for intimate gatherings. It includes 2 comfortable armchairs and a stylish accent table with a tempered glass top. This elegant bistro set effortlessly complements any porch or patio. Its trendy, transparent design and glass table create an eye-catching focal point. Relax in the oval Acapulco-style chairs, featuring high backs woven with firm yet flexible ropes. Sink in and experience optimal comfort after a long day. Crafted with hand-woven, weather-resistant plastic rope over a durable steel frame, this set is built for longevity. Its lightweight design also makes it simple to rearrange. Ideal for smaller spaces like balconies, this set offers a great solution for apartments or houses. Enjoy comfortable seating with a weight capacity of 350 pounds per chair. What we like? Add a touch of trendy style to your patio with this charming Acapulco-inspired bistro set, complete with a glass-top table. If you have a smaller outdoor space like a balcony or a cozy patio and want a stylish spot for 2 to enjoy a morning coffee or evening drink, this set is perfect. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. They are comfortable to sit in for extended periods, even without cushions. The design is modern and sleek, adding a nice touch to my patio. Number 2. Laguna Outdoor Folding Adirondack Chair, set of 4. Enjoy hassle-free assembly and storage with these chairs. Each one comes individually boxed with all necessary hardware for a smooth setup. When folded, they are only 10 inches high, making them perfect for small spaces. This is a must-have for any outdoor area. Crafted from solid HDPE, these chairs are built to withstand changing weather. The durable, weather-resistant high-density polyethylene ensures long-lasting use. Unwind in comfort with the semi-reclined back and spacious design. They are ideal for relaxing by the lake, at the cabin, or anywhere you enjoy the outdoors. Enhance your outdoor living space with matching accessories like cushions or tables, sold separately. They are perfect for BBQs, parties, or simply lounging. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with your order, please contact us, and we will do our best to resolve them. What we like. Crafted from durable, all-weather HDPE, this chair offers long-lasting resilience against the elements and folds flat for easy storage. If you need a sturdy, low-maintenance chair for lakeside relaxation, a cabin, or a backyard where it might be exposed to varying weather, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. They are stackable, which makes them easy to store when not in use. The chairs are made of durable plastic that can withstand outdoor elements. Number 1. HLPB 6 feet folding picnic table set. Experience exceptional durability with our premium HDPE material and reinforced steel legs. This set is built to last, supporting up to 300 pounds on the table and 650 pounds on each bench. Set up in seconds with its intuitive foldable design. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're indoors or heading outdoors for a picnic or camping trip. Enjoy added safety with our secure locking mechanisms. Both the triangular bracket and the tabletop feature locks to ensure stability and prevent accidental folding during use. Its compact, foldable nature makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you without hassle. From parties to workspaces, this set is incredibly practical. It's ideal for a wide range of settings, including your patio, garden, or poolside. What we like. This set includes a 6-foot table and 2 benches, featuring a portable, foldable design with secure safety locks for stability. If you need a versatile and easy-to-set-up solution for picnics, camping, parties, or even as a temporary workspace, this set is incredibly practical. What people say. The chairs are stackable, which makes storage easy. They are made of durable plastic that can withstand outdoor elements. The design is modern and fits well with various outdoor decors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.